Okay, what are you after? Is it, I want to make coloring books because I love to draw and I love art and it's my passion. And if they sell, they sell. If they don't, they don't. Or I'm 16 and I want to make money. Like,
Yeah, I'm
what's
16 and
what's
I want to make money. The second one.
okay, cool. So coloring books are fun. They're fine. They sell great around the holidays, but they're not the easiest way to make money on KDP. That would be publishing high content books, so books that are 20,000 words and above on nonfiction topics. The reason being
Mm.
is those books we can sell for like $20 and we can make $8, $9, $10 a sale. Whereas coloring books, they usually top out around $5 to $6 a sale,
Yeah. Okay.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And especially, and your English sounds really good, man. You said you're from India?
Yes. Yeah. I'm from India.
Yeah. Like, bro, I would just dive head first into publishing nonfiction high content books. Just focus on that, bro, right now. Like your English is on point, so your editing is going to be a piece of cake. Just focus on that right now and get good at that. You
Yeah,
can
man.
definitely,
Thanks.
yeah, you can definitely publish some coloring books alongside, but make it like 80% high content nonfiction, 20% coloring books.